Hello, today I'm in Audi A6. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. At the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Press mode button to change mode on the instrument cluster. You can switch between radio, cruise control and telephone information. Next, right here, we've got the buttons, thanks to which we can navigate through trip computer. On the trip computer we can find average fuel consumption, travel time, range, current fuel consumption, average speed, and that's basically it. Next, right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can increase or decrease instrument cluster brightness. We can check for alerts and we can reset trip computer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.